is the day, y'all. Let's see if I can finally get this dresser. Oh, I'm wearing this mask. Let's see if I can finally get this dresser. Let's start 2022 off with a bang.
Oh, and I feel like myself again. Tell me yes and dope and I feel like myself again. I'm a break, everybody try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Tell me up before and I feel like myself again. Tell me yes and dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean. Now the drugs they give me.
You got it, man?
If you could help a little bit, that would be great. Thank you. Do you know where the third piece is?
Which one? The first one?
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's how I roll, driving solo, driving solo, driving solo, driving solo, driving solo, driving solo, driving solo.
Are we eating? No. I don't care.
Why are you asking me like I was? Hey, look, everybody know I am saying, I can't get no weed, no none of that shit. Tell me. Before I just any of that shit.
Look at the beautiful mom to be. Huge, girl, you look perfect. Exactly how you're supposed to look. All right, y'all. I'm at my friend's baby shower. It's cute. Her name is 7. Can't really see the end. If my makeup looks bad, that's okay. It's been a long day. I don't even have my makeup. I left all my makeup in Massachusetts. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Yeah. Show y'all the view. She just had the baby shower at her apartment complex. Like, talk about saving money and switching to Geico. Duh. It's so cold out here, but so excited to be here at Candace's baby shower. Super exciting to have like a friend that's actually having a baby. That's wild to even think about. But yeah, we're so excited to see baby 7 and watch her grow. And yeah, she's gonna be an Aries. She's due in like March. Hopefully her mom can hold it until the end of March so that, you know, she could be an Aries. I'm so excited to like have a new baby around. I have a whole bunch of cousins, but I have no babies in my life that are close that I can like spoil and stuff. I'm not gonna stay out here too long because it's freaking freezing and I really want to get back to the party and have fun and everything, but it's so beautiful in there and I'm so happy and excited for Candace and Bradley and I'm wishing them all the best. Like, it's so exciting. Such a journey.
Whoa. Let me see the dog.
I'm playing, but what is she got? She cute. That's
her first black dog. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
And you drawing.
What's the point of a drawing?
Baby's first book. This is a good bag.
Right.
It's got a lot of variety in this.
Oh, and we both trying to print. Oh yeah,
Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, go up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, slide, slide, slide.
Talks on me, yeah, on me, on me, on me, on me. When you see him, yeah, you see on me. When you walk by, that walks on me, that talks on me, that's on me.
When you pull up on the side, babe, speeding down a 101 highway, moving too fast, to play. Did you see that look in my face? Oh, you know what it is. Pedals down the metal on gas, no way. Girl, I would never get in your way. Mama said I said that you drive. Put that thing to the floor.